There's another thing. I just want to make a little video on how to fix the cabinet door if it fucking breaks instead of using super glue or some shit. These are the cabinets I built. Fucking. But my wife don't think I deserve paid for that because I didn't buy the materials right. But anyways, of course the kids are gonna break the shit sooner or later. Thanks to my youngest. I guess maybe he was hanging on it or something. That came apart. And she uses like super glue or something to fix it. Completely messed up the whole look of it. But that's alright. Proper way to do it would be to take it off. I mean, the super glue held, but she didn't get it lined up right. So there's that. Let me go get my impact to get it off. Actually, I guess she glued the whole fucking thing. Just did a shitty job at it. So if I try to take it apart now, I'm gonna fucking break it worse. I thought it was super glue, but no, she just didn't wipe the shit off after she put it all over everything. She didn't line it up. She didn't clamp it after she fucking glued it. So now there's a big old gap right there. Usually you would go ahead and take it apart and put glue in there. So I got that little paintbrush and my glue there. You always use wood glue on wood. You take it apart and put the glue in there and then clamp it back together with some vice clamps. And if I can make sure it's all lined up instead of 1/8 inch too high. Fucking master carpenter fix this shit. However, when I went to pick it up, it started to come apart again. So I'll at least try to put some in here. I mean, I can't line it up now because she glued the fucking panel into it. These panels ain't supposed to be glued. They're supposed to move. Which, maybe it'll last longer glued like that, I don't know. So then you put your wood glue on it. Make sure you get that glue down in there. Glue it together. Clamp it. Wipe off the glue. Don't just let it sit there like a retard. Then it looks like fucking that. I guess she gets an E for effort. She tried to fix it. But if you wipe off the glue, that's what it looks like. Right there, that one split open. You barely even tell that it was there except for where the paint shows the wood now. Just let it set for a bit. And when it dries, it'll be like stronger than this over here.